I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. In today's menu, we're going to make cheddar cheese and bacon muffin. It's gonna be super easy and a yummy bite to have. So to begin, I have here all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna put all the dry ingredients first. Sugar, salt, baking powder, cheddar cheese, and the bacon that I pre-cooked earlier. So we're gonna chop it. Perfect. We're gonna add the bacon in, and now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Perfect. Now they all mix together. So now we're gonna make a little well in the middle. Here we go. And I need here 1 egg, go in, melted butter, and the milk. Now let's combine everything together till become a little dough. Looking nice so far. Cheddar cheese and bacon muffin. Now we need a muffin tray, and you can use butter or you can use cooking spray like this one here. So we're just gonna oil it all inside, and you can use ice cream scoop or you can use a small spoon. I'm gonna put one in each. I was planning to make 12 of them, but I put a little bit too much, so it's gonna be 10 muffin, which is nothing wrong with that at all. You preheat your oven to 400 degrees and takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on the oven you use. And the muffin ready to go in the oven. Look at that beauty. So I put it for 16 minutes, and this is the result we have. And usually what I do, I use one of these toothpick, stick it right in the middle and pull it out. If it's dry, no liquid, not sticky, that means your muffin good to go. And always good to rest the muffin 10 minutes before you start eating. So I'm just gonna take one out just to show you. Beautiful. Look at this golden color. Let's see inside. Oh my goodness, look at that beauty. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.